The Honda NSX is a futuristic hybrid supercar that takes inspiration from the legendary 1990s original, but can't quite match the raw thrills provided by many petrol alternatives. Find out more about the Honda NSX. Is the Honda NSX a good car? How practical is it? What's it like to drive? What's it like inside? Is the Honda NSX a good car? Unfortunately, the Honda NSX's interior isn't quite as eye-catching as its look-at-me exterior. Sure, you get plenty of leather on the dashboard and some aluminium trims dotted about the place, but the central infotainment screen looks like it's been pinched from a Civic, and not even the current model. (2024-2025) Acura NSX price and release date. Unfortunately, no production plans or release dates for the next-gen NSX have been divulged. We're currently referring to it as a 2024 model, but it's worth noting that the previous generation NSX was delayed for years following the decision to shift towards a hybrid powertrain. Naturally, we don't have a starting price for the 2024 NSX. 2023 NSX pricing started at $171,495, but we'd expect an EV version to eclipse the $200,000 plateau.